Toyota's pre-collision system combines advanced sensors to detect potential collisions before they happen. The system uses millimeter wave radar and a monocular camera working together to monitor the road ahead. The system operates in three distinct phases to prevent collisions. First, it provides pre-collision warnings through audio and visual alerts. Second, it offers brake assist to enhance your braking force. Finally, if needed, it applies automatic emergency braking. While the system is designed for safety, there are situations where temporary deactivation may be needed. There are two main methods to temporarily disable the pre-collision system. The second method involves using the physical PCS button on the dashboard. Press and hold the PCS button for 3 or more seconds until you see a confirmation message on the display. For 2022 and newer models, Toyota offers sensitivity adjustments instead of complete deactivation. You can choose between high, normal, and low sensitivity settings through the infotainment system. It's crucial to remember that any deactivation is only temporary. The pre-collision system automatically reactivates every time you restart your vehicle. This ensures your safety system is always active when you begin driving. Toyota's pre-collision system occasionally experiences false activations, but the company has made significant improvements to address these issues and enhance system reliability. False activations commonly occur in three main scenarios: construction zones with temporary barriers, parking lots with close obstacles, and highway overpasses where the system may misinterpret overhead structures. Toyota addressed these issues through technical service updates, implementing enhanced radar filtering algorithms that reduced construction zone false positives by 65% in late 2023. The 2024 model year introduced parking mode, which automatically adjusts system sensitivity when traveling under 10 miles per hour, significantly reducing false activations in parking environments. According to 2024 IIHS data, vehicles equipped with Toyota Safety Sense demonstrate remarkable safety improvements: a 50% reduction in rear-end collisions and a 37% decrease in pedestrian-involved accidents. The evolution from TSS 2.0 to TSS 3.0 shows dramatic improvement. The 2024 system achieves only 1.1 false activations per 10,000 miles, compared to 3.2 in the 2020 system, a 66% improvement in reliability. If you experience persistent false activations, two main solutions are available: adjusting the system's sensitivity settings through the vehicle's menu system, or having a Toyota dealer perform sensor recalibration to ensure proper alignment and function.